BMW Z3 side repeater. I got the orange one here, amber. Going to change them to the clear one. So to get these off, I've seen people pull them, but you don't. You push that way and then you pull it out. And it shows up like that. Alright? And then you've got to press this here to release it. Obviously these ones here, the amber, comes with the clear bulb, so you've got to swap that for a 501, which is amber. So you can see the difference. There's a clear one, there's the amber. The amber one is a 501A. You don't have to disconnect that. This twists out and that pulls out. So you don't have to disconnect that. Then your light's in. All you do then is push, play. And there you go, and that's it. Right, cheers.